Hello friends, this is Medhavi. Today we have to work on interfacing of 7 segment with 8051. For writing this code we are using Keil compiler and for debugging we will use Proteus. Firstly work on Keil. For those who are working on Keil for the first time and want to make the project in Keil compiler, I have put the link in the comment box. I have already written the code and for explaining I am going through the code step by step. Now open Keil software and follow my commands. We are using on 7 segment 0 to 9. Open Keil compiler. This is our Keil compiler and open Proteus also. This is our Proteus 0 to 9 Proteus. Same Proteus is there. And before explaining the code, go to my blog. This is my blog. In this, we are using 7 segment. What is 7 segment? It is a combination of LEDs. It is of two type. One is a common cathode, other one is a common anode. In common cathode, all the cathode part are common and connected to external ground. In the case of common anode, all the anode part are common and connected with external VCC. So this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G and this one is DP, same as in common anode. After that, same as for this one, this is A to G. We are using, suppose we are writing 0. 0 means all is on, this one is only off. In the case of common cathode, 1 is on, 0 is off. In the case of common anode, 0 is on, 1 is off. In the case of common cathode, means 1 is on and other one is off. 1 is on and 0 is off. So means you have to G is off and other one on for 0. So same as we have to write the code here. All is on, G is off. Okay. In the case of 1, B and C is on, other one off. B and C is on, other one off. With respect to this, we have to write the hex code of the same. Up to 9 or up to F, we are writing same code and using same code. This for our code. Suppose this is our header file, you will know. This is our delay function. Initialize it only, declare it. This one unsigned character array. This one is 0x3f, 0, 6, 5b. These are the code. This code. 3f is for 0, 3f is for 0. This is 1, 2, 3 up to, you have to write up to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. Okay, after that use start void main. Then unsigned integer, we have to use int I variable, and you have to declare it first. So I equal to 0, you have to use up to 0 to 9 means 10, means 0 to 9 I plus plus. First this loop start from 0, check the condition is true, then go to the array of I, means array of 0 means 0x3f, go to the P1 port, then after delay. This after that I plus plus, then check the condition is true, then the value of I equal to 1 means array of 1 is 0x06, then P1 is 0x06, then provided some delay, then again I plus plus, I value will be 2 means array of 2 is 0x5b up to 9. This program, right? This is a delay program. This is our Proteus. In Proteus we not need external VCC or external ground in case of cathode or in case of anode. This is our Proteus design. We have to connect our all the pin with P1 port like this one. Any port you have to use it to use this type. This one. Suppose you have to connect with P2.0 to P1.0. A is 0.0, B is 2.1, C is 2, 3, 4 up to 9. Up to G. Sorry, up to G. Same as in the case of this one, Proteus, you have to write A is, this one is A, B, C, D, E, F and this one G. Okay, This one A is connected with this one A to G, and this one is for the DP purpose. Okay, so double click on the IC, go to our project. This is our hex code. After that, OK. Before this, you have to build it first. After that, load the code. I have already built it. In that case, hex file is there. Built it means creating hex file from 7 segment. So go to the Proteus, double click on the IC. I already loaded it. Go to the 7 segment 8051 folder, then 7 segment dot hex, double click, then OK. After that, play. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This one. This is infinite time operated because we are using a while one function here. This is code for the 0 to 9. If you have to want 0 to 99, then 0 to 99, same as code is there. This one is for the skill compiler. Open it and also open it Proteus. Zoom it. In this, we are using two port. One is a P1 port and other one is a P2 port. A to G is connected to P1.0 to 1.7, and this was same as 2.0 to 2.7, other 7 segment. We have to write the code for same in Keil. This is our Keil compiler. This is our code. Same header file is there. This is initialize it. First declare which variable we are using it. Then this declare the delay. We are using this delay also. In that case, first declare it. After that, use it. After that, use. Then this is same as we have to use one array 0x3f6 0 1 2 up to 9 commands. Then void main. In this we have to use nested for loop. First we have to use two for loop. Nested for loop, same work as nested for loop. I equal to 0 first. After that, condition check is true. Then go to the program. Array of 0 means array of 0 is 3f. Put 0 on P1 port. After that, go to the for loop. Then k equal to 0, then k is less than equal to 9, condition is true. Then go to the arrow of I, array of 0 means 3f, put on P2 port, then delay, then I plus plus, then after that condition check, then true, then array of 1 is 1, then one value will put on P2 port, then delay up to 9, okay. Then go, then this loop terminated. Then go to I plus plus, then the value of I is 1, then array of 1 is 0x6 means 1, then again this loop operate up to 0 to 9, then 2, then this loop operate 0 to 9, means this program is operate up to 0 to 99, means 00 to 99 code. This code means it's nested for loop, same as a nested for loop, means this is for 1, this is 0, then this operate 0 to 9, then this value is 1, then this operate 0 to 9, then this value is 2, then again this operate for 0 to 9, means okay up to 0 to 9. This is our code. Before build, go to the Proteus, then option for target and target 1, then output, write the hex file name, means in which name you have to want, name of executable file, then 7 segment 2 means same 7 segment 2, take create hex file. After that, okay, then build it. Creating hex file, mention it. Creating hex file from 7 segment 2. Which name? 7 segment 2 name. Hex file is there. This is our Proteus. And this one is connected P1 and this one is P2. Double click on the IC. Go to the folder of 7 segment 2 and the hex file name is 7 segment 2 dot hex. Open it. Then okay. Then play. 0, okay, up to 99. This program, okay, suppose we want up to 3 times, same as in one nested loop is there. See, and same as in double 2, to write in double 3 also. This is our Proteus, and this is our key. This is our Proteus design. We have to use, this is for P1, P2 and P3. This 7 segment is connected with P1 port. This is for P2 and this is for P3. Same as A2, A, B, C, D up to A is connected with 1.0 up to 1.7. This one 2.0 to 2.7. This is 3.0 to 3.7. Same as write the code. You have to increase one loop. Nested means you have to use 3 for loop. One for loop, then again 2, then 3 for loop, nested. Okay, this one, use this one for I equal to 0. This one, first the value of array is 0, then this one also 0, 0, 0, then 0 to 9, then 1, then 0 to 9, 2, then 0 to 9, 3, then 0 to 9, up to 99, then the value of this one is 1, then 0, 0, 0 to up to 99, this is 1, then 0 to 99, this is 2, then 0 to 99, 3, 0 to, means this program is operate 000 to 999, meant 0002 999. This program operate same as code, same delay is there, everything is same. So you have to see this code on the Proteus also. Double click because I program is already loaded. Like this type, up to 999, the value of this one is 1. After 99, the value of this one is 1. Again this loop is operate 99 times, then this value is 2, array 99. This program is operate up to 999. Okay, thank you very much.